You have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Well, you get the hiccups every day, huh? Yeah, yeah.